During World War II, mathematician extraordinaire Alan Turing's mission is to crack the Enigma machine's code used by the Wehrmacht. Turing's work will not only be instrumental in shortening the war but will also, as a result, save millions of lives. Apart from that, this is a masterful portrayal of a genius. Pay close attention. I will not pause, I will not repeat myself, intones Turing played by Cumberbatch very early on in the movie. And so, indeed without a pause or preamble, steadily unspools the tale of one of the most brilliant minds of modern times. In Bletchley Park, Turing is interviewed by the Imperious Commander Denniston played by Dance for a secret job. When Turing utters the word Enigma, the deal is done. Helping him along in Hut 8 are a few code-breaking experts, Hugh played by Matthew, John played by Leach, Peter played by Beard and his future fiancée Joanne played by Knightley. None of their lives would ever be the same again. Enigma has 159 million combinations, says Turing, and as if things weren't difficult enough, the Nazis changed the combination every midnight. But Turing sees a sliver of statistical possibility. He builds a machine that can, as he hopes, crack Enigma. Only a machine can defeat another machine, he believes, as his disbelieving teammates look on. The film bounces between three time periods: childhood, World War II and post-war. But it is the death of his childhood friend Christopher played by Bannon that becomes Turing's guiding star in life. He names that machine Christopher. A room-filling behemoth fueled by arterial power cables and Venus wires. It is like a manifestation of Turing's own complex mind. Joanne's warmth and intellect both complements, and it is a counterfoil to Turing's personality. While his sexuality did cause him problems in his native England, this is not a tale of tragedy, but rather one of triumph. And as Turing was told as a child, sometimes it is the people whom no one imagines anything of who do the things that no one can imagine. An affecting tale of an extraordinary human being.